How to check history in Safari on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. At the bottom of the Safari window, tap on the bookmarks icon, which looks like an open book. This action opens a panel that displays your bookmarks, reading list, and history. At the top of this panel, there are three icons. Tap on the history icon, which looks like a clock. The screen now displays a complete list of all the websites you have previously visited, conveniently organized by date. You can scroll through this list to find and revisit any page. If you want, you can also clear the history. In the bottom right corner of the history panel, simply tap the Clear button. A menu appears with several options, allowing you to clear your history for a specific time frame. To delete everything, you would select All History and confirm the action. Following these steps, you can easily check history in Safari on an iPhone.